Alright then guys, I just thought it was only fair. I've done a video saying what this was all about, and it's still in testing stage at the moment. I mean, it's got tape at the top, which is obviously not particularly brilliant. It's a bit wider than I want it to be at the top. It's not quite long enough, and I've got them crossing over because that seems to be the best way, because I'm only using an 8 kV the on-side transformer. It doesn't get, if I was using a ZVS driver, it would be running up and down like at a stupid pace, because it's 50 Hertz and such a low kV. It's actually quite hard to get Jacob's ladder running, which you might see in a minute. At the moment it's running off this sensor over here. I'll zoom in on it because if I go near it, that one, the infrared sensor, and that is being powered by my lab PSU, which obviously won't be on Halloween. It will be powered by a 24-volt power supply, and it's just running through that timer switch, so it can't be on for too long. So I shall show you. You can just about see the sensor over there. Hopefully it will run. Go near the sensor, and yeah, it's just about going to run. Go near the sensor and it'll go on, and it won't go on for any more than 20 seconds. And the plan is that obviously when people walk past my window, the infrared sensor will pick them up and it will make the Jacob's ladder go. I obviously understand safety issues about this. The Jacob's ladder will be on the inside of my window. The sensor will be next to the pathway in the bush, attached to a piece of wood or something. So I do obviously understand the safety issues, and I'm going to have that wire clamped so if anyone were to pull it, it wasn't to pull on the transformer or knock anything over. And yes, I will obviously have it completely away from my children. Obviously my kids can't get anywhere near it. But I make pumpkins every year, and I actually spend about 8 hours a pumpkin carving them out, and it's quite a lot of effort, and I wanted to go for something different this year, but I'm being told by the kids that I've got to make one with them, obviously, but I'm being told by them that I've got to make one myself because they love to see my pumpkins. So, but also both of my kids have loved to sit and watch this run when I've had it running the other day. So this is the problem though, sometimes it doesn't run, and it will go eventually, and within the 20 seconds it will go. And I haven't got the power. That isn't actually the sensor I'm going to be using. I'm going to be using a different one. I can only get about 30 centimeters on that one. But yeah, just a cool little project for Halloween. It means a few people, and it's sort of all automatic. Don't really need to look after it. Obviously, if we go trick or treating, I wouldn't leave it switched on in the house. Won't have curtains near it or anything like that, so you don't have pets that can get around, so it's all going to be safe, guys. You don't need to worry about that. But yeah, as I say, just a nice little thing for Halloween. I'm going to switch off the transformer. The switch is still running. I've got the other switch somewhere. This switch was given to me by Ant, my bro, and so was this one. Now this one's got, obviously you've got the sender and the receiver, but this one's also got a display on it and buttons to set it up. So I'm possibly going to be using this one because it's got a bit more range on it. But I like this one more, and don't want one of the, maybe one of the kids to get it outside or something and think, oh yeah, we'll rip that out, because I know what some of the users are like around here. So but anyway, just thought I'd share that with you. Thanks for watching, guys. If you've got any comments on how to either make it run better with your Jacob's ladder, or any comments on what how I can make it better, if I could put it in something, I don't know. I'm sure you guys have got lots of ideas, and as I say, I'm always open for ideas and suggestions. Good to learn a little, and good to share our things with other people. So thanks for watching, guys, and I'll hopefully see you again soon.